All to a picturesque evening here, a clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Cheers, Peter. It's a privilege to be here. It really is.
Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this, a capacity crowd here.
Well, the atmosphere, Peter, certainly doesn't feel like a friendly. We all know about the quality we have on show here, so I hope that the crowd demand as much as they can get, and I hope the players will oblige on that.
Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. João Neves. Kvaratskhelia in acres of space out wide. And that has left him in a heap. And he gets rid in a hurry. Stood up well to him there. And it's Vitinha. That's been cut out, well played. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
The great playmaker João Neves is very comfortable with the ball at his feet, Peter, and good at resisting pressure, protecting the ball.
Real chance! Goal!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
A momentary lapse, mercilessly exploited. They were absolutely lethal.
Oh, that was beautifully done. They were ready to pounce, and they were clinical when the opportunity presented itself.
Paris Saint-Germain finding themselves unexpectedly behind.
That's going in strongly.
Nicely weighted ball. And he's picked out the run. Just Mbappe! And yes, it's there! Not one, but two. It is a dream start. A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
Oh, it was a real beauty, Peter, and while many might have just lashed out at it, he took his time and he put it where very few can.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
Zaire Emery. Out to the right, and he's picked it up out wide. He's found... Shoots! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
And now they can spring out of defence. Madrid are already cruising here. 2-0, a fabulous start. He's gone for goal! Oh! Fantastic! That is a gem! An absolute gem! And they're at it again in double quick time.
Marcó en el minuto 14 el dorsal 30.
A case now of complete control.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up, something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
First quarter of an hour gone. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Well, the idea was a good one. The execution of it, not quite so.
Well, that's down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
João Neves does well to get it back. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see. Has a shot! Well, that is rather wayward.
Vinicius Junior clearly felt that distance wasn't an issue, but maybe there were better options for him there.
And they've got a throw. Bellingham. Chouameni spread it left. Vinicius Junior. There's the shot! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? And that has been clubbed away. And it's Chouameni. He's tried one! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Zaire Emery. Out to the left it goes. Chouameni. And here's Mbappe. That has been slung wide. Big chance! It's anyone's ball now.
Can't be expected to deliver anything better than that. This is heroic keeping.
He's looking wide. Bellingham. Now it's Mbappe! A whisker away from making it 4.
I just wonder what was on his mind there. He should have put his foot right through it.
Keeper's dealt with that. He's having a go! And that has forced the very best out of the keeper.
It wasn't the best strike, to be honest, Peter. The pass might have been a better option there.
João Neves. Now it's Vinicius Junior. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. And Zaire Emery. Spread out to the left. Threads one in. No, he's just misjudged that one. Hakimi. João Neves. Played into space out wide. He's shifting through the gears here. Looking for a corner. That's gone all the way through to the keeper. Madrid are looking to go forward now. Sabani. Oh, that is a good ball to find him. Goes down, but nothing given. And the pass is intercepted. Madrid heading towards the half-time break. The wind very much in their sails. Now it's Barcola. And it's Arda Güler. That pass has been well intercepted. But it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that.
He made it look a bit predictable.
Howson. Vinicius Junior. That's a throw. Good steal, he just read it. That's an imaginative pass. Vinicius Junior gets into a good position. Takes a shot! And the keeper has shown real class. He had to be at his very best.
Well, it was going to take something a bit special from there, and that wasn't it.
Habrá 3 minutos de descuento.
Tries to pass it through. Looking for the run. Tries a shot! He's kept it out just.
Well, it didn't quite come off this time, Peter, but that's a warning to the opposition. This team know how to counter, and they'll be looking to do it every chance they get.
Out towards the flank. In towards the back stick. And it's claimed by the keeper. And the first 45 minutes are up. Well, that was as one-sided as it gets. Only one side have shown up here, and they're just tearing it up at will.
It's an eye-catching scoreline, but it's a fair reflection on what we've just seen in this first half, Peter. Now they just need to make sure they retain their focus until the very end. No slip-ups.
Madrid very much in control here, 3 up and cruising. And the second half gets underway. He's picked his way through. Bellingham did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Looking to play him in. Oh, that's great chance! Relentless! Just relentless! Just cruising! They are cruising! They forced the error and extracted the maximum punishment.
Well, a little more decisiveness on the ball, and that probably wouldn't have happened, but still, it was very well played. Great pressure to force the error.
And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
And the frightening thing is, Peter, this isn't even a surprise. He thrives in these situations.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Bellingham. Howson. He could be in here. He's in space and looking for options. Oh, he's been flattened there. He's been taken down and the referee has pointed at the spot. And that really is the last thing they wanted to do. And the referee has shown him a yellow card.
Had too much room. It was one of those instances when desperate measures were called for, and it was a reckless lunge.
Oh, brilliant stop from Courtois!
Oh, what a cracking save from the keeper. That may turn out to be psychologically pivotal.
Now it's Mbappe. And the finish! Oh, taken with style. And this is getting ridiculous. Borderline crazy.
Look, all they want to hear right now is the final whistle. They've been humiliated.
Madrid are having a ball here.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. And he was quick to react. They're trying everything to subdue... And a chance! No, that's just wide.
Well, let's just consider that one a rangefinder, Peter. It certainly wasn't troubling the goalkeeper.
Vitinha, foot in. Oh, he's bustling through here. Well, that defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be. Engages and forces him off the ball. Mbappe! And that's a simple one for the keeper. João Neves. Well, the boss won't be happy about that at all. They were pedestrian in possession and carried almost no threat at all. Can he get on the end of this? And now the breakaway. Nicely worked. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Zabani promptly onto that, and that is that. Kvaratskhelia. João Neves. Into the channel. That has ended up in no man's land. Nicely aimed pass. Zabani. Pacho. That'll be a throw. So time for change, and this one has been on the cards for a little while.
Well, Peter, I don't think there's anything tactical or injury related here. I think it's just all about the push for a goal now.
Ball's out once more. Couple of changes then in quick succession.
Se va a llevar a cabo un cambio de jugadores.
Now it's Vinicius Junior. Threads one in. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Oh no, he's got that wrong. Chouameni, and it's Arda Güler. And he's had a hit! It's hit the upright! That has not gone well. Doué. Some front-footed pressing going on here. Now it's Ramos. He's going to be disappointed with that. Now that looks a decent ball. And this is Dembele. Lofted. Oh, what a climb! They've done it! Oh, one moment you're in possession, the next you're picking the ball out of your own net. That one will sting.
Well, Peter, they should just never have lost the ball from there, but you have to give credit and fairness to the front-footed pressing too. Made things quite uncomfortable for them.
El dorsal 87.
Paris Saint-Germain grab a goal, but it's hard to see it as anything much more than a consolation. Zabani kept his eye on it, and he's there. Pacho. And it's Vitinha. Tries to pass it through. Nuno Mendes. Dembele. Dembele stood his ground strongly. Looking for options for movement. Oh, that's that chance! Goal! And the chasm continues to widen. A brutal statement that underpins where these teams are at.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
Madrid are at the peak of their powers. As for their opponents, a long way from that. Bellingham. Valverde. Madrid looking to pass their way through. Sends it crossfield. Looking to play him in. Pass somewhat off target. And that's put paid to a promising move. He is through here! And he's taking no chances there. Madrid have the chance to go the other way. Gonzalo Ramos. It's not an especially good pass, that. Vinicius Junior. Oh, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, he's found support out wide.
Habrá 5 minutos de descuento.
He's going for goal! Now it's Dembele. Now it's Ramos. It's played through for him. He's got away. Opts to play it back. Goes for a shot! Nuno Mendes. Doué! Decent chance. That is a fine delivery. Madrid clearly now in lead preservation mode. Hakimi spots it and intercepts. João Neves. And here's Doué. And that will be it. Madrid, just a thrill to witness here. Quick, slick, and such fun. You really would fear for anyone playing up against them right now. Mbappe just could not help himself, could he? 3 goals to his name. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
I think we just saw a team winning by playing to their strengths. There was a clear picture of what they set out to do, and the players were determined to deliver it, and they did.
And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.